All right, in this Canva app tutorial, we're going to go over image upscaler. This is one that you'll want to keep in your back pocket. If you ever find an image that you can't find anything else out there, but it's just a little blurry, you might be able to use image upscaler to meet your needs and allow that picture to be used with confidence in your presentation. Check it out. All right, for this app, it's called Image Upscaler, and what it's going to do is it's going to help you bring the resolution up on a blurry image or a low-res image. So if you take a look here, I already have this one set up, but if you go to apps and you type in Image Upscaler, you can upload any picture that you want. So this is one that I took with my phone in dim lighting, and I probably made 35 different copies of this at various sizes. So is it the best? No, but you know, with image upscaler, if you take a look at it, you could tell a difference in my face, just the quality of the photo. You can see the color change and everything. Here I blew it up as well. So this is the original one. This is the one that is upscaled, and I only did this by 2x. So if I go back here, let's do this by 4x this time and upscale it. Alright, so as that's doing its thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this one a little smaller, and I'll bring it up here. Alright, so this right now is my 2x photo, and we're going to see the 8x photo next. We'll see if it makes a big difference, but you could tell it's rid of the shadow, the blurriness in the background too. So it takes a little bit longer with the 8x. As you start going up in quality, it takes longer for it to happen. But let's give this a second and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is with 8x. I think we're starting to get a little bit into the unrealistic filter phase here. I think I look a little not real, kind of like one of those wax figurines or something like that. But if you look, this is the original poster. This is the 2x. I think this is the one that I would use, and then this one is 8x, and it's kind of getting a little out there. So play around with it. I think it's great, especially if you have a little blur to your photo. I think it's going to do the trick and make it passable for something that you could use in one of your projects.